Is moving day at your house a disaster? Are you intimidated by driving a big moving truck? Do you need a simple storage solution that doesn't mean constant loading and unloading of your things? Do you need to move and put some things in storage? Then you need U-Haul's moving and storage solution that's convenient, reliable, and affordable.
Introducing the U-Box all-in-one moving and storage system. U-Box takes the mess out of moving and the stress out of storage because we make the whole process easy.
You can pick up a U-Box container yourself, or we can deliver them to your door. You can pack your container at your own pace, or we can refer moving help movers to do all the heavy lifting. You can keep the container at your place or store it at a local U-Haul facility for easy access. And of course, we can ship them across town, across the country, or even around the world.
So, if you want the best box in the business at the best price we've ever offered, then stay tuned for your exclusive TV discount on the amazing U-Box system.
For a limited time only, U-Haul is offering a coupon for 1 month rent-free on all U-Box containers. There's no long-term contract, just month-to-month convenience. And with your U-Box discount coupon, you get 1 month free rent.
So with the discount coupon, I can get 30 days for free. It's a great deal. You can't beat that, right? I love it.
I got to pack it up, transport it, unpack it, all without paying rent. What a lifesaver.
Nobody wants contracts. I love that U-Box is month to month.
With my discount coupon, I have 30 days to use a U-Box container rent-free. That is awesome.
So call or go online now to get your 1 month free rent discount coupon. We'll send it to your inbox or your mailbox so you have it when you need it. And our discount coupon includes the use of 24 soft, protective furniture pads with every container you order. That's a $60 value with each container, and they're 100% free. But wait, there's always more. We'll also send you 3 popular moving information guides. One on how to perfectly pack a U-Box container. One on how to declutter your garage using U-Box by U-Haul. And a manual on booking reliable moving help movers, and they're not paid until you're 100% satisfied. So whether you need to move or need storage next week, next month, or any time in the next year, order your U-Box containers now and get 1 month rent-free guaranteed. Not sure when you're moving but still want the discount? Call today and get your coupon for 1 month free rent and lots more. Best part, the coupon doesn't expire for 1 year. Call or go online now to get your TV discount coupon that includes free rent for 1 month, free furniture pads, and free moving guides.
Remember, anytime you need to move, need storage, or both, call U-Box by U-Haul. Make the right move and get your exclusive U-Box TV discount before time runs out.